Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, finally after a week or two waiting for my phone, it's here. It's here. And for today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing again with my new the monster. I'm gonna unbox my new Samsung S23 Ultra Sky Blue, Samsung exclusive color. And kararating lang niya kanina. So I'm so excited with this. So tara, let's unbox this phone. Let's unbox this monster. Let's go! So this phone was launched February 1st. Nag-debut siya ng February 1 and then naging available for pre-order. Then meron pa rin siyang promo until February 16, which is I signed up before and then I got a discount for this one. So this one is a 512 gigabyte for a price of a 256 gigabytes. So nakatipid tayo doon, and then plus a $100 voucher from Samsung. What I got for today is this, and then the Galaxy Buds 2 headset or earbuds. So later, we're gonna do unboxing with that one as well. I'm gonna try kung gaano kaganda tumunog yun. And for the meantime, mag-focus tayo dito ngayon sa ating S23 Ultra, which is the most powerful Samsung device yet for 2023. This is directly a direct competitor for iPhone 14 Pro Max, which I had before, and now it's in the Philippines right now with my wife. So my wife is enjoying my 14 Pro Max iPhone niya. So shout out to you, Michelle. And yeah, so I'm so excited with this. So tara, buksan na natin to. I ordered a Sky Blue Samsung exclusive phone. Unfortunately, I only received the phone and the buds. I ordered a screen protector and casing, but unfortunately, hindi siya kasama sa package. So, well, tsagayin na natin to. Sisimulan ko na siyang buksan. Marami na nang nag-upload dito, marami na nag-review. So, most of you guys, alam nyo na kung anong specs nito. But I wanna share the new color that I have. Love it. There you go. Akala mo sa una, black. Pero syempre, may cover light siya. Oh my goodness. This is it. This is it. And, yep. There you go. Sky Blue. Exclusive color to from Samsung. So, you can only buy this one from Samsung store. Hindi mo siya makukuha sa mga carrier like Sastel, Rogers. So, directly from Samsung store siya. I like it. I like the build. Look at this. I'm waiting for this. The 200 megapixel. Later, mag-aano tayo. Magka-camera review rin tayo or camera testing sa labas. Especially yung moon. Kasi that's what the S23 Ultra selling. The moon. Moonshot and nightography. So, hindi ko muna siya ilalabas ngayon kasi wala pa akong screen protector eh. Baka malaglag. Madulas eh. Medyo maano sa snow ngayon. Madulas. So, ito lang muna tayo. So, ito. Guys, are ready? That's so satisfying. My goodness. I love it. Ayan. So, tulad nito, tulad nung ginagamit ko ngayon na phone for vlogging is Note 23 Ultra. Meron din siyang S Pen. Ito nga pala yung S Pen ng aking Note 23 Ultra. And ito yung S Pen ng S23 Ultra. Tada! Akala ko ka-color niya yung ano. I thought it was the same color with the unit. Pero hindi. Ang S Pen niya is black. So, yan. Ito yung kauna-una. First ever S device. Well, hindi naman pala kauna-una. Pangalawa sa S series na merong S Pen. Nauna yung S23 Ultra. S22 Ultra rather. Yung S21 is just capable pero hindi siya built-in. Nauna yung S22 pero ito yung mas improved version ng S22 Ultra. So tara, i-on natin siya ngayon. So ito na nga, in-open na natin siya. Kaka-insert ko lang ng SIM card ko, so tingnan natin kung ano. Kasi kaya na nung sineset up ko siya, nire-require ko ng SIM card para mag-proceed. So, kinuha ko muna yung SIM card ko sa Sastel. Tingnan natin kung anong kanyang magiging response. So, I really like the camera module here, as you can see here. Talagang ring. I mean, ganda. Start, Canada, of course. Agree to all options. Agree to all options tayo. Diba yan, guys? Medyo against the light eh, so yun lang. First start. So, naka-detect ng SIM card, so kailangan siya restart ulit. Meron siya ngayon nagpo-prompt na i-set up using another device. So mamaya ko na gagawin 'yun. Ang gagawin ko lang muna sa video na to is gonna share you yung experience ko sa pag-unbox nito. So skip na natin muna 'yan. Skip din natin yung sa Wi-Fi kasi nakakabit naman yung SIM card ko so I can use sa data. So ayan, getting ready your phone. So you can see yan. Medyo against the light lang, sorry guys ha. Ayan, gano'n proper lighting eh. Hirap eh. So, alam ko marami na kayo napapanood na nag-unbox ito. I mean, right after the launch, after an hour, 2 hours ago. After that, marami na nagkaroon ng mga nag-unbox, may mga nakita. So, basically, yung specs nito is alam nyo na. Kasi marami na nag-upload sa YouTube nito. So, what I'm gonna do with my video is i-share ko kung yung yung pag-unbox, specifically this color, this sky blue color na exclusive sa Samsung store. So, yun yung gusto kong i-share dito sa aking unboxing. And then magke-create din ako ng another video for camera, pictures at saka yung lithography na tinatawag nila. So, magkikreate ako ng another video for that. So, for this video, ang gagawin ko lang is ito. Ito lang muna. Ipapakita ko sa itsura niya. Paano ko siya in-unbox. At syempre, yun nga, exclusive color niya kung gaano siya ganda. Maganda siya. Sky blue. Well, hindi ko nga in-expect na yung sky blue niyang ganito is para naman kasing hindi blue eh. Para nga siyang hindi ko maintindihan yung color. Pero, well, hindi lang sabi ni Samsung. Sky blue daw siya, so yeah. Pero I like it. I like the color. Ganda. So mamaya ko na siya i-set up lahat, yung mga fingerprint, face recognition. So kailangan ko lang muna siya i-on para ma-practice na natin kung ano yung mga specs niya. Ayan, naka 5G na tayo. Naka-connect agad siya. So, yan. Skip muna tayo lahat. Then mamaya ko siya i-set up. Yan. Dito tayo sa dark para mas kita ninyo. Ayan. You're all set up. Finish. Alright. So, ayan. Tignan natin yung kanyang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng AMOLED display niya. Galing. Ganda. And then yung 120Hz refresh rate. Mabilis. You know? Kumpara sa Note 20 Ultra ko ngayon, na meron Quad HD din na refresh rate na hindi siya pwede pagsabayin ng 120Hz kasi ang pinopromote before ni Note 20 Ultra is yung battery saving. Kasi itong Note 20 Ultra ko ngayon is it only has a 45 mAh battery. Kumpara nito, it's 5,000 mAh battery. So mas malaking battery nito. There's a 500 difference. And at the same time, yung chipset, my old Note 20 Ultra is using a Snapdragon 865 Plus. Still efficient, still good for gaming, for video, for vlogging. Pero ito kasi matindi dito. Ito kasi meron tong Snapdragon Gen 2. Talagang pangmalakasan. Very efficient, and this is a Snapdragon Gen 2 for Galaxy, meaning ibig sabihin nun talagang naka-modify siya for Samsung users, for Samsung phone. So talagang pinaghandaan to. Talagang pantapat to kay iPhone. And masasabi ko lang, base sa mga nakikita ko yan, no? Same lang din ng kanyang ng Galaxy Note. Kaya nung una talaga nagdadalawang isip akong bumili nito kasi yung Note 20 ko is talagang malakas pa. I mean, flagship pa rin siya ang ang status niya kung tutuusin, kasi nga because of the S Pen, and at the same time yung size niya, pati yung quality ng kanyang videos and etc. Pero kasi syempre yung Note 20 Ultra kasi ang update niya is hanggang ano na lang, hanggang Android 13. So they're still updating the security patches, pero hindi na sila nag-upgrade, kumbaga update ng Android niya. Unlike this guy here, from Android 13, supported siya hanggang Android 17 for 4 years. So, talagang sabi ko, I don't want to give up my Note 20 Ultra kasi that's the last phone, that's the last Note that they have, and at the same time, yun yung pinakahuling device nila na meron pang memory card. My Note 20 Ultra is 128GB, pero yung aking memory slot niya ay merong 1TB na memory card. So, kung kukumpara mo sa 512 versus sa 1TB and then 128 memory ko sa Note 20, panalo to. Kaya lang, the updates, specifically sa camera, yung Note 20 ko meron lang 108 megapixel yung main. Ito, meron itong 200. Talagang inabangan ko. And then, napanood ko na rin sa mga videos ng mga vloggers na yung nightography, 8K front camera, kaya na mag-record ng 8K video, 4K at 30 frames at 30 FPS. So, maganda. So, kailangan ko siyang subukan, kaya napabili ako nito. Kasi talagang S Pen guy ako, kaya hindi ko mabitawan yung Note. And then, dapat bibili ako ng S22 Ultra last year, but sabi ko, parang wala namang major upgrade. So, ginawa ko, I waited for this, and then yeah, the wait is worth it. Talagang much better version ng S22 Ultra. Much better, at saka talagang kung design-wise, wala siyang pinagkaiba sa S22. Yung makikita mo na yung ring ng camera. Medyo mas malaki siya, mas makapal. Pero kung itsura lang din, parehas. Pero yung hardware, chipset, camera, battery life, same, pero magkaiba ng chipset, so mas efficient ang battery dito. So, masusubukan natin to. So, yeah. Ayan, ganda, Tignan mo yung refresh rate niya, Mabilis. Ganda. So, yeah. That's it for today's video, guys. Pinakita ko lang paano siya in-unbox, kasi excited talaga ako magkaroon ng phone na ganito. And then, excited din ako pakita yung color. Yan. Iba pala ang box niya. Kapag yung regular box lang ng isang S23 Ultra ang bibili ninyo, sa labas pa lang, kita nyo kagad kung anong color niya. Lavender, black, or cream, and what's that one? Green? Kung doon nagkakamali. Pero kapag Samsung exclusive, yan. May choices ka. Meron kang sky blue, lime, graphite, I guess. This is graphite. And then red. Napili ko sky blue. Panalo. So that is it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you like my video. Unboxing lang to. I'm gonna do a camera and video test on my next vlog. Kasi inintay ko pa yung screen protector nito at saka yung casing. Ayoko ilabas. Baka mabagsak ko Although this is equipped with a Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Kumpara sa akin Note na Victus lang, the first ever Victus. Still, I don't wanna risk it. Medyo madulas sa labas. Freezing rain Tapos nagme-melt, tapos bukas malamig. So panigurado freeze. Ngayon, puro black ice nga sa kalsada. So I don't wanna risk it. So hintayin ko lang muna yung screen protector ko at saka yung aking case. Tsaka ko lalabas to take some snapshots here, video shots, and etc. So again, guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you like my video here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos of my new S23 Ultra. And yes, in the next video, gagawin ko to ng in-depth or tawag yan, camera and video test, specifically nightography. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye!